Volkswagen revealed the new ID.7 and it's got the all-new interior with impressive technology. It is the first Volkswagen with new operating and display concept and exclusive equipment options. A new operating and display concept is introduced in the ID.7, and with this, Volkswagen has reacted to feedback from its customers and improved the operating experience in relevant areas. This includes the following features as standard: a 38cm or 15-inch infotainment system screen, the augmented reality head-up display, a new air conditioning operating concept integrated on the top level of the new infotainment system, as well as freely assignable favorite buttons, and the backlit touch slider. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the interior of this new Volkswagen ID.7?